Hi guys, welcome back. I just want to quickly go over active versus passive income. Let's talk about active income. Active income is when you are performing a service or handcrafting a product and earning income from that. So let's go over some examples. This is going to be your 9-to-5 job, hand-painted wooden signs, or if you hold weekly coaching sessions, you are actively working to gain that income. Let's talk about passive income. Passive income is when you are earning an income on a product or service with very little effort required. You've probably been hearing a lot about passive income more recently in the last 5 years. Here are some examples of passive income. So let's say you built a business and then you had someone else run it. So all that hard work in the very beginning, you only had to do that once. And now you have someone else running it for you and you just get to reap the benefits of everything you built. That's very, very much passive income. Digital products like artwork, ebooks, or even digital courses such as this. Think about whether you would like to choose either for the direction of your shop or you want to do a mixture. This will help you brainstorm the product that you want to start with. Now, let's choose your niche and develop your Etsy blueprint.